Hello everybody, this is our sliding gate. Our friend Larry here doing the side one. We didn't film how we put the gate up because we forget things. So all this gap now, all we have to do, and the motor. This gate is actually off square. This one is a little bit shorter than this end, but we managed to get all 90-degree here and that side, and just angle this bottom rail down, so overall when it's shut, all the same height. And that's all the panels on the trailer, and we have to cut it to size. Let's go. And that's it everybody, all done. All programmed. Perfect. Let's close it. It slows down about 500 mm. It slows down so it doesn't slam on the gate. See you next time.